Hi, my name is Arkan. I'm from grade 12, Science 2, and I'm here. I will explain about how to use a washing machine. At the first, I will explain step by step about how to use a washing machine, and the video. I will put a video about washing clothes. Okay. For the first step, you must separate your clothes. You have to separate your clothes into 3 categories: white, dark, and bright color. For the second step, read the labels to make sure nothing is dry cleans only or hand wash only. If you find it, just separate this item into other new pile. And third step, read the label on the detergent to put the correct measure into the machine. Next, add the water and wet the tub until full enough. At the 5th step, after that, close the lid and set the speed of your machine, or you can choose regular speed for most clothing. To get the best result, use hot water for white clothes, cold for dark clothes, and warm water for bright colors. Turn on the washing machine and allow it to run until finished. After the process of washing has finished, let the clothes drain through the drain hose. After that, see the knob of the wash timers again. Set up for 3 minutes more. Do this twice for a good rinse. And finally, put the wet clothes into the spin compartment. Set the knob and wait until the spin processing is set up. And the last step, your clothes are clean and your clothes are done, ready for drying for a few minutes.